HTML form attributes. Here are some of the most commonly used form attributes. Action specifies the URL of the script that will process the form data when the form is submitted. Method specifies the HTTP method to be used when submitting the form, either GET or POST. Target specifies the target window or frame where the response to the form submission will be displayed. Name specifies a name for the form, which can be used to reference the form in JavaScript. Autocomplete specifies whether the browser should autocomplete the form input fields. Enctype specifies the encoding type used when submitting the form data, either application/xwww form URL encoded, multipart/form data, or text/plain. Input attributes. HTML input elements are used to create form controls, such as text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and more. Input elements also have several attributes that can be used to customize their behavior and appearance. Type specifies the type of input control, such as text, checkbox, radio, submit, and more. Name specifies a name for the input control, which can be used to reference the control in JavaScript. Value specifies the initial value for the input control. Required specifies whether the input control is required to be filled out before the form can be submitted. Read-only specifies whether the input control is read-only and cannot be edited by the user. Disabled specifies whether the input control is disabled and cannot be used by the user. For real-time example, please visit additionalsheet.com website. Conclusion. HTML form attributes are used to customize the behavior and appearance of HTML forms and input elements. Understanding how to use form attributes in HTML is essential for creating well-designed and functional web forms. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.